Let's dive into this Rio chart today. What is going on with Rio? Well, first of all, it all depends on Bitcoin. And although the Bitcoin bottom is in, most coins weren't as reactive to that bottom, which came in on the 1st of May, pretty much over here. And Rio was kind of reactive. Bitcoin has yet to put in that new all-time high. And for the go signal for all alts, not just Rio is in a special case. It's for all alts. Bitcoin needs to show who's boss. The only way it can do so is by bringing all the confidence back into the crypto market. The only way it can do that is by putting in that new all-time high. At that point, there are no arguments anymore. Bringing all that confidence back into not only Bitcoin, but the entire industry. So we're waiting for that moment. But until that Bitcoin new all-time high, you're going to see some coins not as reactive. You're going to see some coins just going stable as they're not reacting. You're going to see some coins actually going up like a Rio and some other RWA coins, but you're also equally going to see some altcoins continuing lower and lower and lower and lower. And those charts might look very negative, but I'm telling you now, everyone, when Bitcoin puts in that new all-time high and there's nothing in the way anymore, it forces all coins to bottom and it forces all coins to go up. So what is going on with Rio? Again, as I said, we are waiting for Bitcoin, but I do like how reactive it has been since Bitcoin's bottom at 56k on the 1st of May. We can see that bottom was the exact same for Rio. We have not traded lower since that date, exactly as Bitcoin has done. We have also put in a higher high from where we pumped from, then held and maintained the low with a double bottom, and then eventually put in that higher high. So all that needs to happen with this current low that we're still forming, it just needs to maintain this area $1.28. And all the way back in March, guys, we can see, if I zoom out a little bit, how far away this moving average was. It was allowed to get close to price action only due to this range over here. So with this range that was created, it allowed the 200 EMA to catch up, and it's now smack bang in line with our actual bottom over here. So I do not expect Rio to push beneath this. If there are any updates that are needed, I will make it. But I'm not envisioning that as of now. I'm envisioning Bitcoin continuing to break its all-time high eventually. Check out my most recent Bitcoin update. We spoke about the bullish patterns as well as the potential short-term double tops. So go check it out to be fully updated. Also, check out the Discord community if you want TA specifically on Rio or RWA AI coins and so on and so forth. I'm in there daily. We do group calls twice a week in there to mentor you, especially in these periods where it's boring. At least you're constantly learning in there. We've always got content, regardless of whether the market is boring or not. So, with Rio going forward, again, we need to maintain this $1.28 low. We need to, again, find this new low above that point. We are actually within the golden pocket right now, so I'm not worried about losing the moving averages. It's because we're in a range, and when we're ranging, they are not really your best friend. The moving averages are your best friend in a trending market, but this is not a trending market. This is a sideways crab market. So it's all just to set up that next huge move, and I'll show you that right now. So maintain $1.28, and we will see a new all-time high past $3.29, and we will see price targets as high as $10+ up ahead. So next targets being $4, $5, $8, and $12. That is it from me today. Very exciting times ahead. If you need any assistance with the chart, how to use the fibs and actually understand all the paths and what to expect from them, just reach out to me. I do one-on-one mentorship. I have an ebook, and I've also got my Discord community where you do actually get group mentorship twice a week. So yeah, I'll see you over in the community. Good luck to all the Rio holders. It's my number one holding, and that's due to the growth that it did on the previous run up. So very exciting times ahead. Cheers, everyone.